Welcome to the lovely subdivision of Hale o Kilinahe, located in the heart of Makawao town in upcountry Paniolo countryside. Hale o Kilinahe encompasses 13 residential condominium units. We have one unit left, unit number 11. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,100 square foot home. It's totally on solar photo-voltaic. It has exquisite flooring, beautiful ocean views, huge yard, and absolutely wonderful neighbors. This is the private drive that comes in for these units, these brand new units. They are on septic, county water. The homeowner's dues are approximately $91 a month at this time. And this is unit number 11. Still available, only for $419,000. Brand new, no one's lived in it. Gorgeous upgrades. Can't be beat. Here are your neighbors. Yard, very, very large. If you come up the driveway, you'll pass by the Ega's new house, which is right here. They're going to close momentarily, very excited. And then our firefighter gal, Valerie, and her beautiful daughter. So, can't beat your neighbors. You have a 2-car garage that has indoor laundry, all upgraded. Wonderful board and batten, vinyl windows, post and pier construction so that you can get underneath if you need to change any of the wiring or rewire some of the video equipment that you want to go through the house. And as we enter, this is the living room. The views, although you can't really see them through this video, are spectacular ocean views from the property. Beautiful upgraded bamboo flooring throughout. Dining area, again, with the upgraded lighting fixtures. Door out to the garage. And a kitchen any cook would absolutely adore. Yes, as I mentioned, the kitchen is large and perfectly appointed with stainless steel energy-saving appliances, Frigidaire dishwasher, range, and refrigerator. Cabinetry space, more than you could possibly use. Great drawers, handy, very handy to have drawers. And all with that open great room feel so that the cook doesn't feel left out when you're entertaining. So again, this is from the kitchen, dining, big, gorgeous vaulted ceiling. Than you need, all taken care of by the solar photo-voltaic. as we go down the hallway, you have the guest bath or second bath, full tub enclosure, and fixtures, just what you need, which will serve to accommodate your guests or your family or visitors that are staying in the bedrooms. It's a wonderful bedroom here. This is the first bedroom on the right. This has, again, beautiful ocean views. And all the yard you see in front here belongs to this unit. So it's quite a play area, and there's some ideas about maybe punching out some doors off the living room and putting a porch out front. That can happen with county approval and with the HOA approval. All the closet doors are mirrored. Lots of storage. This makes a great pantry area. This small little storage area for all of your cans and things like that. The unit does not come furnished. This is just staged at this time. This is a second bedroom, again with great views, beautiful Berber flooring, carpeting. There's all the outlets, cable, telephone, exquisite custom colors, top of the line fans. And this is the master. Huge closet. The master. It's light, bright, airy home. You can walk to Makawao town, all the restaurants and the doctors and stores, and just fabulous living up country. The weather here is sunny, and oh gosh, you're at about a 1,600 foot level, so the weather will remain anywhere between the 60s and 80s, you know, maybe upper 80s in the heat of the summer, but it's such a perfect location. You get enough rain here that probably won't have to do too much watering, which will save on your water bill. For more information, please contact Betsy Jacobson of Century 21 All Islands in the Wailea office at the Shops of Wailea. Direct cell phone is 808-280-1224. Again, this is Hale o Kilinahe at 11 Maha Road in the heart of Makawao town, on the corner of Maha and Makawao Avenue. Please don't hesitate to call. It's very easy to show.